Welcome back, traders, to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Market Profile Trendlines Indicator for MT4. So if you are looking to enhance your market analysis and identify key price levels in any currency pair or asset, then this tool is exactly what you need. All right, let us get into how this indicator works and how it can improve your trading strategies. Okay, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. The market profile trend lines indicator. You can see this is the indicator being added to the chart right now. Okay, so here we go. Now, as you can see, this indicator, the market profile trend lines indicator, combines price, action, volume, and tick data to give you a comprehensive view of where the most significant trading activity is happening during a session. All right, so it uses a histogram, as you can see, uses a histogram to show price density at certain levels and provides clear insight into where market participants are focused. So this indicator goes beyond traditional market analysis by including trend lines and identifying the value area, okay, which is the midpoint between supply and demand. It also highlights tails, which show where price rejection is taking place. So understanding these areas is crucial for spotting trends and making well-timed trades. Okay. Now, the market profile trend lines indicator works by calculating price activity using the most accurate tick data available. All right. It then displays a histogram that shows where the most trading is happening at different price levels. So the indicator's value area represents the equilibrium between buyers and sellers, and the tails help you see where the market has rejected certain price levels. Okay, let's just go to the inputs of this indicator. All right, we're good on the inputs. Okay, so you can actually leave your settings as the default settings. Okay, so for the bottom tail, it shows where buyers, the bottom tail shows where buyers are stronger than sellers at those price levels, while the top tail indicates where sellers are controlling the market. Okay, so this gives traders a clear view of where key price zones are, so you can enter or exit trades based on strong price action. So now you might be wondering, how do you use the market profile trend lines indicator for trading? Well, here's how you can use the market profile trend lines indicator to improve your trading strategies. For a buy setup, to enter a buy trade, you should first find the bottom tail on your chart. All right, find the bottom tail on your chart. So this area shows where buyers have been stronger than sellers. Okay, you wait for the price action to turn bullish. Ensure that you always get a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, get a bullish confirmation. Do not be so quick to jump into a trade without getting confirmation from price action. It's very important. All right, so you wait for the price action to turn bullish, and then you place your stop loss near the recent low. All right, For example, if you had entered a buy trade, let's say you entered a buy trade around here, maybe you had entered a buy trade somewhere around here, you can set your stop loss below the recent low. After you can get the confirmation, after you have seen this bullish engulfing, although if you had entered here, you would have entered before the candle closed, but it was already showing like a bullish engulfing even before the candle closed, right? So if you wanted to get in quickly or get in early, then well, that would have probably been a good place to get in. Or if you had wanted a perfect confirmation, then maybe you'd have waited until it got to this point. Okay, then your stop loss can be below the previous, below the swing low, the nearest swing low. All right, then you can exit when the trend shows signs of reversal. When you start noticing any possible sell reversal signs, you can just exit your buy trade. Okay, then for a sell setup, if you want to enter a sell trade, you locate the top tail, okay, which shows where sellers are dominating the market. All right, and then you wait for the price action to turn bearish. All right, you wait for the price action to turn bearish and you place your stop loss near the recent high. All right, near the recent high is where you can place your stop loss. Okay, then you exit the trade when the trend shifts in the opposite direction. So when you notice signs of a bullish reversal, when signs of a bullish reversal begins to appear, you can then go ahead to exit your sell trade. Okay, so this indicator is great for use across all time frames. All right, you can actually use this indicator on any time frame of your choice, whether you are looking for short-term scalping setups on the 1 minute chart or longer term trades on the daily chart. This indicator adapts to different trading styles. All right, making it a good indicator for both day traders and swing traders. Okay, so basically the Market Profile Trendlines Indicator is quite an effective tool for any trader looking to gain deeper insights into price action and market dynamics. Okay, so whether you were just starting or you've been trading for years, this tool helps you identify key price levels and trends with precision. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. Okay, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any updates. All right, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.